These $5,000 AMD Ultimate Tech Upgrades have gotten a little out of hand lately, and I was assured that today, our editor and meme lord extraordinaire, Alex, is just getting a simple workstation upgrade to the fastest CPU money can buy, the Ryzen 9 7950X3D. What's that?
Trouble.
I'm organizing this and this? I'm supposed to wall mount the TV? 2 TVs? There's a projector and a ceiling mount. This is an unconventional component, but at least it might come in handy.
It's electric.
Oh, I guess that was the point of the upgrade. AMD Ultimate Tech Upgrade is back, which means another chance to win sick goodies from AMD. All you've got to do is head over to our Twitter, to enter the giveaway for a chance to win one of 3 AMD Ryzen 7800X3D gaming processors. Thanks again to AMD for sponsoring this series. All right, nothing to do but get down to business then. Where do you want to start? In the bedroom? If you don't mind, I'm just going to, not bad for jumping. I've learned my lesson about that though. We're not gonna do that.
Hey, can you not?
Yeah, the point is, my understanding is that the plan is the projector goes up here and then you got a screen over here, but there's a door.
Yeah, it's retractable.
A retractable screen. Oh good, that'll be even easier to get in exactly the right spot. Perfect. How are you gonna power any of this?
I don't know yet.
Okay, let's go get the screen. Screen first then. I hope you got a seismic mount for this thing.
No,
because
I'm gonna die, it's fine.
I couldn't help noticing that's how, woo! The other problem is we can't just mount this to the wall because you have a door here.
Yeah.
So the door frame is gonna get in the way. We have to mount this to the ceiling.
Yeah, I know.
So you've got about a foot of black space before the screen itself has to start. That's good because that means that our projector can come down a bit and maybe clear that light.
I really think we're just gonna have to get rid of that lamp, but that's okay.
Okay, crazy proposal. If you must watch TV in here, we take your second TV that you don't even have a plan for, and we just mount it to the wall right there.
No.
All right then. Let's change gears and talk about the office. You've got your existing computer here, and you've got a new case, motherboard, and CPU, but you don't appear to have enough hardware to build a full second computer. So what exactly is it that you're doing here?
I'm trying to build a new computer, but keep the same parts for the most part.
So we're going 7950X3D with DDR5 memory in a new case, but with otherwise the same guts.
Most of them, yeah.
Okay. This I feel good about. This is gonna be no problem. We found him, guys. The one person other than me who's dumb enough to use one of these M.2 carrier cards. Are you actually booting off this thing?
I'm not booting off of it, but you know what the problem is with that? I don't have enough lanes. So only 2 SSDs that are in it actually work.
Wait, and it has how many in it?
4.
You're missing so many screws.
We can't talk about that.
Oh, okay.
Man, I can tell I haven't watched this in a year.
A year?
It was on a carpet.
This is not that bad.
I mean,
for
yeah.
a year when you had like a rabbit and yeah.
You have a rabbit?
Or had.
You ate it?
No.
What's wrong with all these people out there who are working on Noctua coolers without even a Noctua edition screwdriver? Sign up for a notification, lttstore.com, coming very soon.
Buy a regular one.
Well, why do you have an HBA in here?
I had too many, or is it connected right now?
No,
yeah.
It's not connected to anything.
Well, no, that's not true. You had these
This is broken.
Oh, cool.
Wait, there's more SSDs.
Yes, dude, I'm loaded.
Why do you need so much solid state storage? What the hell? Why do you need 24 terabytes of SSD storage?
Why not?
No, that's not the question. The question is why?
I just have no reason.
Is this the main drive?
Good question. They were in a RAID configuration up until recently and it broke. So yeah, one of them is the main drive.
I hate this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I hate this.
You love to suffer its content.
My understanding, so that you can use all 16 of these lanes and all 4 of these drives, is that you want to put this in your primary PCIe slot, but you have a problem. you don't have a graphics adapter. This CPU has no onboard GPU, so you can't use these ports here.
I can't run it Atlas?
You may not be able to complete booting. You'll have to put a GPU in it at least once.
To start?
Yeah, to get your OS installed and everything set up, and maybe to configure the BIOS to say to ignore that error. And then after that, it might work.
Okay.
Yeah, your next problem is that your HBA, which you use to connect to all of your unnecessary 2.5-inch solid state drives,
It's semi-busted?
is a 4X card.
Oh yeah, I know about that.
That means that it either needs to go in the bottom slot, which you will need if you ever wanted to put a GPU in here,
Don't I have
or it
space
needs
right
to
there?
go in your other 16X slot, which will automatically split your primary one into 8 and 8. So then this won't get all 16 lanes and you won't be able to run all your SSDs.
Okay.
So I will put it in the bottom. Oh, actually, you know, I guess that's okay. Okay, yeah, I'll put this in the bottom slot. How did you do this? I'm trying to get the cables out of here and
Can you not pull so hard?
you've managed to run 2 cables through the one cable. I mean, I wouldn't need to pull on it if you didn't do this.
I don't know.
What, how did you manage to run it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to completely disconnect everything in this computer to get your power supply cables out. They're hooked. The good news is the cavalry's here. We've got Colin and Elijah who are gonna be helping us with the projector screen mount. Okay, what happened to the ones that are a complete circle?
I also got those ones.
You also got those. I mean,
bought those ones and then Colin
whatever,
said
it's
we need
just
those
AMD's
ones.
money anyway, right?
Exactly, it works.
Actually, I think he spent all the budget, so I think it's my money now, but sure.
I didn't spend all the budget. I have like $400 left.
I don't know, I see a lot of stuff here. I assume you want the screen centered to the bed?
Yeah.
All
If
right.
it makes sense.
Trust the process.
No,
Bye.
I don't. Help.
It's
broken.
Certified, not a stud. Okay.
Oh boy, you guys say there's a problem. I
Yeah.
walk in, there's a hole in the ceiling.
So,
Is that related to the problem?
yes. If you take this stud finder and go right beside it, it'll say that a stud is right between that hole, but there ain't no stud there, homie.
Oh, well, it's a metal stud, that's your problem.
Yeah, that's what I then found out.
Okay. Wait, you put 2 holes in the ceiling.
Yeah, because I was like, oh, I'll try the other one. See if I was just wrong on this one, and I'm wrong on both.
It's a good thing they're small holes.
It's a good thing it's not a textured seal.
Yeah, that is an actual good thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing you've got a lot of paint touch-ups to do already. We could use the gigantic pilot hole that we drilled to throw a toggler in there, and then we could just hang this off of the metal stud.
Yeah,
Okay,
possibly.
as long as
It doesn't.
we have some... Oh,
I already looked at that option. These are what's supposed to go in it, and they're not even, like, close.
I see. Oh God, another piece broke off this HBA.
Careful.
Well, I didn't mean to. I really, really sincerely hope that... No, that's a good noise.
What's in it? Is it just a cable? Is it broken now?
Hold on, no, everything's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, everything's good. I just need to, hey, there you go. It's like, you know, when your car turns on, it's like, that's how you know it's working. Hey! We've got the AMD RAID detected, so that means that the SSD card. Okay, now I just need the other 3 SATA SSDs to pick up. Sick! The last thing I need to figure out then is why the SATA drives are not showing up. Cool!
Because the HBA is broken.
Is it just because the HBA is broken?
It might just be.
Hey, you know what? This board has enough SATA ports that I can just plug into there and we'll take the HBA out.
That's what I was saying the whole time.
Okay, attempt number the 3rd. Here we go. Hey, let's go. All right, we're good.
Yeah.
Your drives are all detected.
Except the 2 ones.
Except the
yeah.
2 that we know could
no
be
lanes.
detected if I pulled out the GPU.
Yeah.
All right, this system is done. I'm gonna close it up and then we can focus on that one and the TV mount and the projector and the projector mount. The range actually is part of the upgrade, but it was installed by a professional before.
No, it was installed by me.
Oh.
I'm a professional.
I couldn't help noticing you have a lot of bananas for scale from the store.
Yeah.
Why are they all pink?
I asked for 6 and I don't think they caught on that I wanted all the colors.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so now I just have a bowl of pink bananas with one that has white stuff on the tip.
Before I get too far ahead of myself installing the cooler, I should probably install the CPU. Naturally, as a baller with more SSDs than sense, Alex has gone with the 7950 X3D. This was necessary for all of the 90s games, I guess?
Yes.
Got all that 3D V cache to run at the highest FPS, the lowest latency, like 1200 frames per second. Playing 90s games.
I'm a speedrunner. You get it?
Speedrunner. Hey, this is going smoothly. Oh, yeah. That's a little dirty. There, I fixed it. Oh, that's awful. Oh.
I lived in a place with asbestos.
I think I just inhaled half of your old rabbit. But hey, the system's almost done. All I gotta do is wire up SATA and power for that, yet another SSD, in the bottom of the case, throw the GPU in, and I think we're good to boot this thing up. Holy shnikes. I got so distracted plugging in SSDs that I forgot to check in with you. You guys have done nothing.
Well, yeah, because you said you wanted to see the idea before we did it. We got the hook here that will use our existing hole, so we just need to drill 3 more. And then we picked up like hooks that can go into this clip-on and clip onto this.
Okay.
So then it'll actually be cleaner because it'll be easier to take down if he wants to just.
Okay. Oh yeah, just like a standard carabiner then.
Yeah.
You know what? That's actually not that janky.
Yeah, it looks a lot nicer and.
Okay.
Doesn't have that chain.
Yeah, because it's got a foot of extra at the top anyway. So if you just pull it down a bit extra, yeah, I think so. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, great job, guys.
Yeah, the guy at Home Depot said to do this one too.
I don't believe you.
Whoa, you put the side panel on?
I put the side panels on before we tested the PC. Where do you want it, Alex?
Beneath.
You want it on the bottom?
Yeah, probably next to UPS right there.
Sure.
Don't drop it in my head, please.
I'm not gonna drop it on your head. Yeah, sure, here, I'll just run it around.
No, it's not long enough.
Here, just
Dude, it's not long enough. Stop.
Hold on, just.
Why you do this?
Okay, sorry. Are you coming out? If you want it to work for not a giant troll, I'm sure there's plenty of other employers out there. Oh crap, that doesn't seem like it's working, does it? Buddy? Come on. Wait, oh, the fan's just spun down. Hold on. I think we got this. Come on. Keyboard.
Oh!
Yeah, first try, let's go! Oh wow, your cat did a number on this.
Yep.
Unless that was you. Look at that. All the RAM. Got our, so 3 SATA, yeah, that's right. And then 2 M.2, right?
Oh, it's almost like the other setup.
Okay, we're good then.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna get 6400 megatransfers per second. Oh. That is really fast for an AMD CPU, but we're gonna try. I feel like it's time for a check-in with these guys, but I'm afraid to open this door. Oh, and I can't. You're missing a screw.
Yeah, because there's a stud in that one spot.
Oh, there's a stud there.
Yeah.
Oh.
I couldn't get through it with the drill.
Ah, brilliant.
I tried pushing real tough.
He pushed real tough.
This one I'm also hitting a stud here in this spot, and these ones aren't fully grabbing when they go all the way through.
I see.
So I'm trying to back them off a little bit to try to push them up more to see if it'll actually catch.
It's not very straight.
It's fine, you're looking at the movie, not the hooks.
This was working. Then I tried to run the memory at 6400, which
is it?
Kind of knew wasn't gonna work. Okay, BIOS reset. That's okay, we kind of knew that was gonna happen. Oh, nice choice of board. You've got a clear CMOS button right on the back of the board. Love it. Now, where do you want your ruler?
Drawer.
Drawer? I don't think I'll fit. Hey, got him. That was the whole setup. Here we go.
Don't stand right under it.
We ready? Oh, no, I'm trusting it. I'm trusting it. Professional crew.
I don't see you.
All right.
That's perfect.
Big improvement. They do have calculators for this, but we're just gonna kind of, figure it out. Oh my God. It needs to be like right where the light is. I don't think we could have done this any worse if we had actually tried. Yeah, I'm sorry. I think this really is not a today thing because it goes right there.
Is there anything else you need drilled?
Yeah, I need my TV mounted.
Is there anyone else you would like to do it this time?
Yeah, you?
Really?
No.
Because I...
No?
Yeah. No, you just gotta keep going.
More?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, I have space for a plant now.
Yeah.
We're gonna run into that bookshelf thing?
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm pretty sure that if a saw blade came flying out of that crack, it would cut my dick off.
That's great.
Here's a tech tip for you guys. Windows 11 requires an internet connection for setup now, except it doesn't. You can press Shift F10 and then type the command ubi/bypass NRO.
Ooh!
And we shouldn't need it anymore. We should have the option next time to click I don't have internet, which we do, except that we need drivers for our network interfaces that we can't install until we have Windows. You know you don't have to use the biggest drill bit every single time, right?
That's why I took it off. You just saw me take it
Well,
off.
I saw you holding it. I saw you thinking about it.
I used that one for the ceiling holes.
Yes, I saw that. Are you a left start menu guy? I already moved it over there.
Yeah. But there's this like registry hack apparently to get it back on top, like in Windows 10 and before.
Oh, that's right, I forgot. You're a top taskbar guy. Okay.
Yeah.
Explain.
I had a Linux phase for a bit, and there's it's on top for Macs, if you don't factor in the dock. And I realized my eyes were always looking up, like rather than at the bottom for notifications and whatnot. So I just, yeah.
And why would you adapt to your computer when your computer can adapt to you?
Not anymore.
That's the Linux mindset, and it's not wrong. Okay, let's get this media console looking fly, if we can. I am so excited to plug these things in. We're gonna have this so powered, Alex.
Okay.
This is actually looking kind of awesome. I just got to get some of these cables up here. We're close enough to the media console that you don't really see the cables running down, even though we haven't, properly done a conduit yet. I'm just going to tie these up so that you don't really notice them so much.
Wait, does Armor Crate really install WinRAR?
Oh, I forgot to unselect it. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, I just wanted the drivers.
Are you a WinRAR?
I'm a WinRAR.
Are you a big winner?
Well, sorry, you're the proud owner of a WinRAR trial now.
A permanent trial.
That's a lot of CPU cores doing nothing. 2% usage, yep. Cool. Oh, I never updated you guys. For memory, we settled in at, I think, 5400 megahertz. With some tuning, we can definitely push it higher, but I wanted something that was, well, fast. So I just set it to a safe setting. Wow, this looks great. Great. So you got who controls building things like towers and defenses?
So this is AI control. So your goal is basically to protect your base, unless there's a side quest or a side goal. Sometimes capture the flag.
Got it.
It's like you take Command and Conquer and bring it down to like you're just like an infantryman.
Cool.
Yeah.
But there's no player who actually plays the RTS component.
Not in this version.
Got it. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
Maybe give it a shot, guys.
Yeah.
And maybe give a shot to checking out some of our other AMD Ultimate Tech Upgrade videos. The premise is simple. $5,000, you can get anything you want, and it is amazing how much you find out about someone.